Hi, so today I'm going to solve the select all question from Hackerrank. Now this again is in the basic skill set and in the subdomain of basic select, which makes it a beginner's question. Let's get started. Now my interface is going to be my SQL, and let's get to the question. Query all columns attributes for every row in the city table. So this is quite an easy question. We just have to write down a simple query. Select asterisk from city. Select asterisk. Whenever we write asterisk, we are instructing the database to get information on all the columns. So here I've written my codes. Now let's run it. As you can see, my code or my query is running just fine. So let me just submit it up, and that's done. Thank you.